Beautiful babes. Hey, if your skin has been feeling dry, dull, tired, or crepey lately, this simple face mask may be exactly what your mature skin has been craving. And listen, this mask is affordable, gentle, easy to make, and packed with ingredients that may help your skin look softer, smoother, brighter, and more hydrated over time. If you are over 50, over 60, or dealing with those menopause skin changes, keep watching because this little homemade mask feels so luxurious on mature skin.
Yeah. Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time? You walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried.
Hey, beautiful babes, what is up? What is up? Sweet Angel at the building again. Yes, I am. And welcome back. Welcome back to Beauty by Sweet Angel. Listen, today, as I said, I'm sharing a facial mask. I'm sharing a DIY 2% milk face mask using rice flour and aloe vera gel. And let me tell you, this combination feels so soothing and refreshing on mature skin. This may help hydrate dry skin, soften rough texture, brighten dull looking skin, temporarily plump the appearance of fine lines, leave your skin feeling silky soft. Here are the ingredients: 2 teaspoons of 2% milk, 1 teaspoon rice flour, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, and you can also add a few drops of vitamin E oil for extra moisture. The 2% milk contains lactic acid, which is known as a gentle exfoliant. It may help remove dead skin buildup while helping the skin appear smoother and brighter. The fats and proteins in milk can also help support moisture for dry, mature skin. Rice flour may help absorb excess oil while gently polishing the skin. Many people love rice-based skincare because it may help improve the appearance of dullness and uneven looking texture. It can also leave the skin feeling incredibly soft. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and hydrating properties. It may help calm dry, irritated, or sensitive skin while supporting a more refreshed appearance. Mature skin often loves aloe because it feels cooling and moisturizing. Vitamin E may help support soft, nourished-looking skin and adds extra moisture for women dealing with dryness. Let's whip it up. In a small bowl, add your milk, rice flour, and aloe vera gel together. Mix until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. If it feels too thick, add a tiny splash of milk. If it feels too thin, add a little more rice flour. Now let's apply this amazing mask. Look at it, y'all. Let's apply the mask onto our clean, freshly washed skin using fingers or a facial brush. So here I am using my Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, and I love this cleanser. It is so thick and rich, and it doesn't strip my skin. So I wanted to make sure my skin was completely cleansed before applying this mask. Here you'll see me applying it. I'm using a facial brush, and I will have everything linked below. Of course, y'all know I will do that for you. I actually used my handheld fan to expedite the drying process on this because I wanted to apply more than one coat. So here you'll see me using the fan, and then I applied a second coat And then I applied a third coat as well. Y'all, this mask was so cooling. I loved it. And when I used the fan, I could just feel it tightening and tingling even more. Not a bad sensation, a good one. And I loved it so much. So check out the ingredients again down below. I'll have everything listed for you, babes. I love this mask. Yes, I do. Focus on your forehead lines, smile lines, the neck area, and dry patches. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you may feel a slight tightening sensation as it dries. That's completely normal. Afterwards, rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat the skin dry. After removing the mask, apply a hydrating serum. Follow up with a moisturizer or facial oil. During the daytime, always wear sunscreen. Now for extra mature skin hydration, you can seal everything in with a lightweight facial oil at night. Now, you can use this for mature skin 1 to 2 times per week. You don't want to over exfoliate the skin. Consistency is more important than doing too much. Now, beautiful babes, let me say this lovingly. No DIY mask can permanently erase wrinkles overnight, but hydration, gentle exfoliation, consistency, healthy habits, and sunscreen may help the skin appear smoother, fresher, and more radiant over time. And remember, aging is not something to be ashamed of. We can still glow beautifully at any age. All right, babes, this is it. If you enjoyed today's video, and specifically this particular DIY, make sure you like this video. Leave a comment, please. I want to hear from y'all. Y'all are so quiet, and I know you're watching. I want to get the action going in the comment section, so please talk to me. And subscribe to the channel if you have not already. That's Beauty by Sweet Angel. And tell me in the comments, would you try this mask for your skin? Let me know. I love you, beautiful babe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah, you said I'm looking good, but I'm trying to look better.